Kirani toko ya chaka kuruase kaunti ya Kisii agwase egati ya banyakonda imeye kaunti ya Kisii babere bawakira umugavana we kaunti ya Kisii Paul Arati ngambia muno ase okobainyora na koba amabaga yemeremo kokwana ase geikare kiba bagutwara sensemo ya St Vincent nigo baterera nigo barachikokora egasi asobwamo asokubwatira n'umugavana we kaunti ya Kisii na nene go tuguterare chingwa na chiagati ya banyakonda bunatibanya wakanwa muri keto Mildred Momanyi norboti urwaso bwagare
ensemo y'abanyakonda be kaunti ya Kisii nigo besokire na gotogya igitambukiro cy'umugavana we kaunti ya Kisii Arati asogwesokya na kurwa emirimo y'ekipara gucyase abanyakonda asinjira y'abanyakonda oyomo asekera sub county yemanyakante buna allotment roads.
We hereby support the idea of governor of giving lots. Lots in way of construction is when you do selected tendering, whereby for you to deliver to the people of the mandate you say to fasten the process, it's good to give allotment to the people. So we are in support of the lots, the selected way of tendering, and His Excellency has promised us that on top of the lots, he will give other tenders to the other people who are remaining.
Governor has gone ahead. Already the allotment. Allotment even kura. Kenaha nabeo koraigo. Procurement Act has aroused him to do so. Ntobugata about you those allotments and we do. And here we are. Jikategori tobugate jirem barimbari. Ntobugata about Jakabono. Yako we pare ya makora kore ay chakano. We are capable. As you go, a Gavana Arati go. Tabugat magos. Chiga sinjiro jinke. Gavana Takuri Nyomba in allotment way, Munavana ICD classrooms and whatever. The Chijikoba Maya.
Igo bagikerie abanyakonda bamwabo abo bakoletse chikonda embeo nainde baganetiba kanwe chibesa cyabo abo ase babuli omugavana Arati kulingoli abali bonsi bakolire chikonda chikiranitse elyo banyalegwa kanwa.
Dogo tumelipwa na tunashukuru sana, aendelee kuinua wenye wako chini kuja juu na asiangalie mambo ya hewa nini wenye wanampiga vita mawe, afocus kwa kazi ile aliamua atafanyia watu wa Kisii County.
Kuona igangwa kira Arati mbiya mono asogo okorigie task force ekabeka chitenda chonsi ibi chiri akora tukire genuine nande bwanchire gwakana twamusabira amaya atwakane bali bande bali chipara bagoteba mbabwate amasakara ataleta twase task force twabasabira amaya bagende kotini ko barabwe simbo barengereri no mo MCA atotebi nyore no mo chumbe tibana goteba nga CDF batari go icha contractor cha Kisii na bwaba
ko bor simba nane ko motebia abaso kire isiko batari contractor tiano bato bas ayegenderere merimo mune gavana ababatigare taji contract dali muti contract Kisii nyariba Kisii County.
Asichinga kecho nigo abanyakonda abo boigo bamwakira mbuya mono ase okubakana na kulia eira gucha kubwatirana nere ase engaki yae ya magenderero gucyase abamenyi be kaunti ya Kisii.
Tomo chinga kijingororo akore mirimo elinde twanjirana na tutibesa chitairana Jones paka tutenenge.
It is good to avoid politics in construction. Like those who are on the other side who are doing politics. I want to tell the people that those are politicians, those are politics. We are in business in construction. So we are in support of the governor. Governor, look of what you promised the people. Don't look at the side shows.
Governor itombu ya mono anchirego tuwakana pending bills and we are supporting him thoroughly atuwakane elitwagendere kwa kolega sinere.
Ulipotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ili etaliane Mildred Momanyi.